Did you know that your dishwasher has a filter that needs to be cleaned at least a couple times a month? Most of them are going to be very similar to this. I'm going to twist it and lift it out. You see this one is an integrated piece with there. Some of them may be separate from this screen. Ours was caked in grease. Now, if you've never done it and your dishwasher is old, you may find all sorts of junk in there. Now, depending on the level of grease and grime that you find in there, you may get away with cleaning it with Dawn, or you may need some super clean and a brush like this to get up in there and scrub it all out. Rinse it with as hot a water as you can stand and a good amount of pressure. And it reinstalls the opposite of removal. Don't force it. If it's not going in, there's something wrong. It should just drop in and then twist and lock back into place.